My faceless social media accounts have generated over 10K in passive income this month. With the rise of AI, I managed to create 2 large social media accounts in a short period of time. I've turned these accounts into a profitable business that almost entirely runs on autopilot. In today's video, I'll show you how to start similar accounts with the help of different tools. From coming up with the perfect script to creating viral videos and turning those views into passive income, keep watching because I will reveal hidden methods to make money in different ways. So make sure to watch until the end. I promise you, this isn't one of those videos you see on YouTube. This will be your first video that will really help you earn money. Let's get straight to the point. The first thing you need to do is finding an AI tool you want to create a video about. I use Futurepedia.io to find AI tools. This is a website full of AI tools and it gets updated daily. After scrolling for 5 minutes, I found the perfect AI tool to promote. Sonora is an AI tool that uses artificial intelligence to search through millions of jobs daily, and it applies to jobs for you. In the economy we're in right now, it's hard to find jobs, so this video I'm about to make will definitely bring value to those people who are jobless. If an AI tool can change people's lives, there's a good chance that the video you're going to make about it will go viral. But with all these views, you want to make money, so you're looking for an affiliate program, if one is available. After a bit of research, I found the affiliate program for Sonora AI. You can see that you can earn $10 for each person you bring to this platform. You just need to refer 10 people every day to earn $100 per day, and with the strategy I'm going to show you later, this is very easy. After you've created an account, you'll start making your video. Before we make a video, we first need a script. What I usually do is search for information on the website itself and copy all the information from the website. Then I put this information into a Google document. After I've collected all the information, I go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to summarize all the information I've gathered about this AI tool. With the summarized text, I will then create a script. We're also going to use Google Docs for that. I've created a unique prompt for this that you can also use. I've put the link to it in the description. What's special about this prompt is that you only need to come up with a hook and a call to action. I have created this prompt myself, and it lets you generate 5 scripts with the same hook and the same call to action. After you came up with the hook and call to action, you then go to ChatGPT to copy and paste the prompt. ChatGPT will then give you 5 scripts that you will use for creating the original script. When the scripts are created, you then copy the whole thing and paste it right into Google Docs, where you then use those scripts to create a new one. You can do this by using the phrases from different scripts and combine them all to one script. When the script is created, you then copy the text and go to an AI tool called Elevenlabs where you can create realistic voices for free. Then copy and paste the text and hit generate, and wait for the voice to be created. After the voice is created, you then gather assets for creating the video. Go to YouTube and search for no copyright Minecraft gameplay videos. You will see a bunch of videos you can use for free. After finding the perfect video, you then copy the video URL and paste it right into SnapSave where you can download YouTube videos in different formats. Choose for MP4 and hit download. After downloading the video, you then search for demo videos of the AI tool. You can do that by simply searching on their website for videos or go to YouTube and search for the name of the AI tool, where you then search for demo video on their official YouTube channel. When you have all the assets, we then go to a free video edit app called KwiCut to edit these assets to a video. Import all the assets to KwiCut and start creating the video. After importing all the assets, we then are going to add captions to the video. Click on Auto Captions and head over to Animations. Search for a bouncy animation and select the free one. Then click the button Start and wait for the captions to be created. When the captions are created, you then are going to change the style of the captions. Click on the button Style and align the text to the center. Then you are going to change the font to whatever you like. I prefer the font Montserrat. Then you go to the top and search for Style. I usually like to add some shadows and stroke to my text. This will make the text pop out more. When you are done with creating the perfect style, you then are going to add some photos and videos. Add an overlay to the video and import different photos and videos that match the words that are being spoken. Here's a speed up of the process. When the video is created, you then are going to export the video. I prefer to set the highest export settings as possible. Here's the video I created.
AI can now help you with finding a profitable job. Sonora is a tool that uses AI to make looking for work easier. This tool looks for jobs and applies to them for you. This is not just for top-level workers. Anyone looking for work can use Sonora. It starts by asking you some questions about your job likes. Sonora's AI then scans lots of job ads each day to find the ones that fit you. It applies to these jobs for you. and you just wait for interviews. Even more, Sonara can find job ads you might not see on your own. This makes your job search quicker and easier. Sonara uses both AI and job experts to help you look good to companies that may want to hire you. You can try it out yourself under my username.
After creating the video, we are now setting up our own Beacons page that lets you add multiple links in your bio. Go to Beacons and start setting up your own Beacons page. Here's a speed up of the process. After creating the Beacons page, you then are going to add the affiliate link to your page. When you're done with the whole process, you then are going to test it out. If you've watched the video up to this point, you're lucky. Most people aren't willing to watch an entire video. That's why I added the most valuable information at the end. So only a small percentage can take advantage of this strategy I'm about to share. What you're going to do is create your own newsletter. It's an upcoming business, and I'm certain that it will overtake dropshipping and social media agencies. Only a small group of people know about this business, but I'm going to share every detail. First, I'll add another block to the page to include the link to my newsletter. Then I go to Beehive, the platform where you can create newsletters, to copy the link. Then I paste the link to Beacons. Now the Beacons page look like this. And now you're wondering, why should I create a newsletter? This is why you should create your own newsletter. You can earn passive income like I do, simply by creating videos like the one I just did. Beehive is a site that lets you make money for each person you bring to newsletters. This can be between $2 to $4 based on your niche. It's a feature called Boost that can easily help you make passive income. All you have to do is refer people to other newsletters to make money. It costs $99 a month, but you only need to refer around 40 people to cover that. Here's a demonstration how it works. From people simply adding more newsletters to their list, you can easily make thousands per month. You can also implement this incredible tool in other niches. For example, the crypto niche. You simply need to make similar videos and get paid for referring people to other newsletters. A few people are already ahead of you, but I've got your back. I've just created a list of all the people who are doing the same thing. You can find the list in my description. Here's an example of one of the accounts of the list. This account also uses Beehive to earn passive income. This account uses similar videos to drive traffic to an affiliate link. You can see that you can make a lot of money by implementing these types of videos. If I were you, I'd close the YouTube app and start this business immediately. But yes, some people are simply not destined to be rich. Here's some motivation. I already created a video about Sonara AI, and this is what I earned from it. From one video, I just earned $150. I just created my own Discord server around this, so feel free to join our Discord server in the description, where you can get free blueprints to earn money. We help you find new ways to make money in this time of advanced technology. On our Discord server, we do things differently. We give you real new ways to make money online, not the same advice that every influencer is giving. We will guide you step by step to start earning money online. Alright, that's all for today. If you stay till the end, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. We've got lots of cool things coming that you won't want to miss. Take care and good luck. Peace.